beautiful thing. I did not want to spend $700 or $800 buying a radio for my Corvette 2006, so I bought this thing. It's the transmitter. Gadget's really worth the money. I'm telling you guys out there, if you want to keep your car original, you don't want to mess around with the radio, get this. I mean, I've used this. I bought other products. It's so staticky, you lose it. It don't work good, but this delivers what it promises. Believe me. GizmoGuy.com. This is not a paid advertisement, but I just wanted to help all you guys out there that have old cars and you want to keep your original radio, but yeah, you want to get new music and you want to use your smartphone. I got a Samsung Galaxy 8 and it's perfect. I love it. I want to thank the guy who invented this. I paid $90 and I do not regret spending the money. So thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. Alright guys. Have fun. Enjoy your Corvette. GizmoGadgets.com. You can get him.